Bandzoogle Musicians Distribution Platform Full Review. Features, strengths, weaknesses. Links to the platform and relevant tools are in the description. Let's break down what Bandzoogle offers, who it's made for, and whether it's worth considering for your music career. Bandzoogle is primarily known as a website builder for musicians, but it also offers distribution services, making it a unique all-in-one platform for independent artists. While it's not a direct competitor to major distribution platforms like DistroKid or TuneCore, Bandzoogle integrates music distribution alongside tools for building a professional website, selling music, and engaging with fans. For artists, Bandzoogle simplifies the process of creating a custom website, integrating e-commerce features for music and merchandise sales, and distributing their music to major streaming platforms. One of its standout features is its ease of use. The platform offers drag-and-drop website building tools, making it accessible even for those with no coding experience. The music distribution feature allows artists to get their tracks onto platforms like Spotify, Apple Music, and Tidal, all while maintaining control over their branding and sales. Bandzoogle also provides a built-in store so musicians can sell directly to their fans, keeping 100% of the profits from their music and merchandise. Additionally, Bandzoogle's platform includes built-in email marketing tools, allowing artists to keep in touch with their fan base and promote their latest releases. Who is it for? Bandzoogle is perfect for independent musicians, bands, and solo artists who want to create a professional website, manage their music distribution, and engage with their fans, all from one platform. It's ideal for those who want control over their online presence without needing multiple services. Strengths. First, the all-in-one solution is incredibly convenient. Second, Bandzoogle allows artists to keep 100% of the revenue from their online sales. Third, the website building tools are intuitive and don't require technical skills. Weaknesses. While Bandzoogle excels at website building and e-commerce, it lacks some of the advanced features offered by specialized distribution platforms. Its music distribution reach is limited compared to larger services, and it doesn't have the same extensive marketing or promotional resources. Final verdict. If you're an independent artist looking for a simple, professional way to distribute music and build your online presence, Bandzoogle is an excellent platform. Check out the links in the description to explore it yourself.